Hi everyone, today I am going to explain about at the right patch mapping. When we go for patch mapping, here if you want to update the data partially data into the database, we can go for the patch mapping. For example, this is the employee details Pojo class. In this Pojo class, I want to update only employee contact number. So in that scenario, we can go for the this patch mapping. Okay. So no need to update the entire Pojo class here. That is the main difference. Next class I will explain about what is the difference between the put mapping and patch mapping. Okay. So here I will explain this in debugging mode. Okay, step by step. So you can see here, this is the endpoint. Here we need to change the patch mapping. Patch, here I want to update only employee contact, so I no need to pass this entire the object JSON object here, just I need to pass only employee contact here. Data contact I am giving here. So for example employee 3, here I am giving, this is the endpoint and this is the path variable I am passing 3 here. So it is updated already. Here patch mapping we are using, so you can see updated only employee details here. Here employee details, employee name is coming null, employee contact is updated, contact is coming here, and id is mapping 3 here. Okay, if it is id is not available in database, it is throw the exception. Id is available, so then executing next. Here it is mapping the employee contact name. So here it is going to save existing employee details. You can see employee name is test. Already it is taking from the existing. Okay, and updating the employee contact info here. Here also we are using the save method from employee details repo. This is the CRUD repository. This is already existing method in Spring Data JPA. Okay, you can place cursor on the save method. You can see here employee details org Spring Framework data repository. That CRUD repository in the save method is available. Okay, this is the way to passing the data for patch mapping. In next class, I will explain about patch mapping and put mapping. What is the difference? That is the one of the interview question in Spring Boot. Thank you for watching.